Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Erola Suresh YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, let's have a recapitulation on the questions which were asked in previous examinations of NEET in different years. And this video is from the topic biological classification. Okay, let's get into the video directly. Five kingdom system of classification suggested by R.H. Whittaker is not based on A. Presence or absence of a well-defined nucleus, B. Mode of reproduction, C. Mode of nutrition, D. Complexity of body organization. The correct answer is option B. Mode of reproduction. Maximum nutritional diversity is found in the group fungi, Animalia, Monera and Plantae. The answer is option C. Monera. In the five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella have been included in Protista, Algae, Plantae and Monera. The answer is A. Protista. In which kingdom would you classify the archaea and nitrogen fixing organisms if the five kingdom system of classification is used? A. Plantae, B. Fungi, C. Protista and D. Monera. Now the correct answer is option D. Monera. In five kingdom system, the main basis of classification is structure of nucleus, mode of nutrition, structure of cell wall and asexual reproduction. Now the answer is B. Mode of nutrition. In the five kingdom system of classification, which single kingdom out of the following can include blue-green algae, nitrogen fixing bacteria and methanogenic archaebacteria? A. Plantae, B. Protista, C. Monera, D. Fungi. Now the correct answer is option C. Monera. Blue-green algae are included in which of the following groups? Bryophytes, prokaryotes, protista and fungi. Now the answer is prokaryotes. An important criterion for modern day classification is resemblances in morphology, anatomical and physiological traits, breeding habits and presence or absence of notochord. Now the correct answer is option B. Anatomical and physiological traits. Match the organisms in column 1 with the habitats in column 2. Halophiles, hot springs, thermoacidophiles, aquatic environment, methanogens, guts of ruminants, cyanobacteria, salty area. Select the correct answer from the options given below. Now the correct answer is option A. Halophiles, salty area and thermoacidophiles, hot springs, methanogens, guts of ruminants and cyanobacteria, aquatic environment. Which of the following are found in extreme saline conditions? Eubacteria, cyanobacteria, mycobacteria and archaebacteria. Now the correct answer is option D. Archaebacteria. Which among the following are the smallest living cells known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals and can survive without oxygen? Pseudomonas, Mycoplasma, Nostoc and Bacillus. The correct answer is option B. Mycoplasma. Which of the following components provides sticky character to the bacterial cell? Nuclear membrane, plasma membrane, glycocalyx, cell wall. Correct answer is option C. Glycocalyx. DNA replication in bacteria occurs within nucleolus, prior to fission, just before transcription, during S phase. Now the answer is option B. Prior to fission. Methanogens belong to Eubacteria, Archaebacteria, Dinoflagellates and slime molds. Now the correct answer is option B. Archaebacteria. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals include the methanogens, eubacteria, halophiles and thermoacidophiles. Now the answer is option A. Methanogens. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in cell membrane structure, mode of nutrition, cell shape and mode of reproduction. Now the answer is option A. Cell membrane structure. Which of the following are likely to be present in deep sea water? Blue-green algae, saprophytic fungi, archaebacteria and eubacteria. Now the answer is option C. Archaebacteria. Pigment containing membranous extensions in some cyanobacteria are pneumatophores, chromatophores, heterocysts and basal bodies. Now the answer is option B, chromatophores. The cyanobacteria are also referred to as protists, golden algae, slime molds, blue-green algae. Correct answer is option D, blue-green algae. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to humans in making curd from milk and in production of antibiotics are the ones categorized as cyanobacteria, archaebacteria, and chemosynthetic autotrophs and heterotrophic bacteria. The answer is option D, heterotrophic bacteria. In eubacteria, a cellular component that resembles eukaryotic cell is plasma membrane, nucleus, ribosomes, cell wall. Answer is option A, plasma membrane. Some hyperthermophilic organisms that grow in highly acidic habitats belong to the two groups, eubacteria and archaea, cyanobacteria and diatoms, protists and mosses, liverworts and yeasts. Now the correct answer is option A, eubacteria and archaea. Select the correct combination of the statements regarding the characteristics of certain organisms. So here 4 statements were given. The correct statements are option D, 1, 2 and 4 are the correct statements, and third statement is wrong statement. Bacterial leaf blight of rice is caused by a species Alternaria, Erwinia, Xanthomonas, Pseudomonas. Now the correct answer is option C, Xanthomonas. Thermococcus, Methanococcus and Methanobacterium exemplify bacteria whose DNA is relaxed or positively supercoiled but which have a cytoskeleton as well as mitochondria, bacteria that contain a cytoskeleton and ribosomes, archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histones, and archaebacteria that lack any histone resembling those found in eukaryotes but whose DNA is negatively supercoiled. Now the answer is option C, archaebacteria that contain protein homologous to eukaryotic core histones. In the light of recent classification of living organisms into 3 domains of life, bacteria, archaea and eukarya, which one of the following statement is true about the archaea? Archaea completely differ from both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Archaea completely differ from prokaryotes. Archaea resemble eukarya in all respects. Archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Now the correct answer is option D. Archaea have some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Which one of the following statements about mycoplasma is wrong? They are pleomorphic, they are sensitive to penicillin, they cause disease in plants, they are also called PPLO. Now the correct answer is option B, they are sensitive to penicillin. Curing of tea leaves is brought about by the activity of fungi, bacteria, mycorrhiza and viruses. The answer is option B, bacteria. All of the following statements concerning the Actinomycetes filamentous soil bacterium Frankia are correct except that Frankia can induce root nodules on many plant species, can fix nitrogen in the free living state, cannot fix specialized vesicles in which the nitrogenase is protected from oxygen by a chemical barrier involving triterpene hoponides. Like Rhizobium, it usually infects its host plant through root hair deformation and stimulates cell proliferation in the host cortex. Now the correct answer is option B, can fix nitrogen in free living state. For retting of juice, the fermentation microbe used is methanophilic bacteria, butyric acid bacteria, Heliobacter pylori and Streptococcus lactin. Now the correct answer is butyric acid bacteria. Basophilic prokaryotes grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments, occur in water containing high concentrations of barium hydroxide, readily grow and divide in seawater enriched in any soluble salt of barium, grow slowly in highly alkaline frozen lakes at high altitude. Now the correct answer is option A, grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments. Which statement is correct for bacterial transduction? Transfer of some genes from one bacteria to another bacteria through virus, transfer of genes from one bacteria to another bacteria by conjugation, bacteria obtain its DNA directly from mother cell, bacteria obtained DNA from other external source? Now the answer is option A, transfer of some genes from one bacteria to another bacteria through virus. In bacteria, plasmid is extra chromosomal material, main DNA, non-functional DNA and repetitive gene. Now the correct answer is option A, extra chromosomal material. Organisms which obtain energy by the oxidation of reduced inorganic compounds are called photoautotrophs, chemoautotrophs, saprozoic and coproheterotrophic. Now the correct answer is option B, chemoautotrophs. What is true for Archaebacteria? All halophiles, all photosynthetics, all fossils, oldest living beings. Now the correct answer is option D, oldest living beings. Okay friends, as the topic biological classification is very lengthy and having so many questions, it is not possible to give all the questions in single video. So remaining questions we will see in other videos. Okay, thank you for watching.